It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Bump the quad bike. Here.
Yeah, I'll be on the safe side getting UAV.
See anyone here, innit?
Oh god, they've activated, I think.
Oh, you got it.
It was literally high on the side. Oh god, there's a squad, dude. Let's go.
Yeah, go.
Right,
hang on.
Oh,
you don't need a key card, but...
Right.
Right, that's one at the top. Taken down. Ooh, bad aim.
So far successful.
Oh, there's one outside the window. Put him on, run for the quad bike. Bring it to get fuel. Right, do you want to go get the quad and bring it over?
Yeah. The question is, can I make it? I think I can. We're good.
Alright, I'm going to look for another rescue hostage.
I'm a bit wary of that tower though, dude.
There's one down by the airport.
Yeah, extremely bad ones.
Yeah. Right, I'll get this and activate it.
To be fair, we could have just walked that really, couldn't we?
I know, but with the quad here, we can jump on the quad, can't we?
Did I go up the wrong bit? Yeah, I did, didn't I?
Yep, it's on the top bit. I'm just armouring up. I nearly got dropped. I can't see anything because of smoke.
Oh my god, I can't even find my way in.
You have to go outside and then up the stairs on the side of the building.
Oh, you got him anyway.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, into armour off again.
Yeah, I'm armoured up. To be fair, I could do with a 2-plate at least.
Oh, we got this.
Right, I'm going to jump on top of the quad bike. Have a jump on there and then... Ooh. Ah, there we go. I'm on.
Right, where is it?
Right, up the hill.
It's always up a hill.
Yeah. Oh, we're being sniped at.
That's a private exfil, wasn't it?
No, they were coming further back than that. They were at Hafford Port area. Alright. Right, I'll go in again. Right, over to your left. Right, get us UAV first.
Got you covered, dude.
Right. Right. When he wants to get dropped.
It's done for. You good?
Yep. Like routine, I'm straight on the quad.
Yep.
Right, where is it?
Over here. Oh, I think it was shooting it.
Go.
I can't.
Right.
It's gone. The tyre is literally gone. I actually can't turn it, dude.
It's just up here. It's just up here.
Why is that thing attacking us?
Oh, I don't have a clue.
That doesn't normally attack like that.
It has done in the past. Especially to me, anyway.
Alright, just
Oh,
run.
it's over here. It's over here.
Yeah.
Do we want to try and get that final hostage?
Yeah, go for it.
Right. I'm stuck.
Oh no, I'm down, I'm down. I had too many attacking. No!
Yeah, I'm down. I'm down.
Why were they attacking that? Because that is not normal.
I don't know. But good first run. Good first run.
We got what?
I bet that's why we couldn't get into that building.
Yeah, what? Dude, I'm down.
Ooh.
That was a player.
Ooh.
Oh,
Sorry,
fuck.
dude. I've got to run. I'll try. Is he still in there?
I have no idea. I'm literally viewing you at the minute. I think it's just on a duck and dive, isn't it, really?
Quickly duck and
It's got me, it's got me.
I'm gonna have to come back for you in a sec.
Yeah, it's cool. GG guys, GG. Yeah, I got on Mike. It's alright if Mike can pick me up, obviously we're doing a live stream challenge. Yeah, so we're doing a live stream challenge with pistols only.
I'm not sure.
I think they're going to take on my gun as well. You gotta be kidding me. Oh no, got it.
Follow me.
I've lost everything. Exactly where the hell we are in a minute. Oh, it's upstairs. Hey, you've already got it. How did you get up so quick?
Ladder, right here.
Oh, fair enough. Oh, God.
Right, over it, over it. Right, take it from the upstairs because that's where it's probably going to be.
Yeah, just armouring up again.
Oh, lovely.
Reloading.
Yep, checking the other room.
Just arming.
Nothing here. Right.
Got him.
Right. Let's go.
Come and make it this time. We can do it. Be annoying if they turned up right now, though.
You're going to have to go straight on the back of it. Right, drop them.
There we go. Well, that was lucky.
Yeah, quite. God, my aim is bad. Alright, we should go do a rescue of hostage right about now. Tell you what, I'm gonna grab this UAV quickly.
I'm over here.
Armor and all.
Yeah, I'm fully armoured.
Same.
Oh, Jesus.
Reloading.
Yep, pushing through.
Is at the top
I'm
again?
at the top. It's going to be a right shoulder.
Sure about that?
Or not?
Am I carrying him?
Yeah, do you want to carry him?
Let's go.
Right, down
Literally
here.
just here. Got you covered.
Right, then I'm straight off.
It did to me what it did to you earlier.
Drop that, don't need it.
Really needs
Drop
to
that,
change
don't need
the...
that.
I need to change the soundtrack on it.
Yeah, but if you do that, then it won't play my favourite song anymore.
Yeah, gotta go careful of copyright though.
I know.
It's a bit boring.
I don't know why I just got in that car. I didn't know.
Oh, you're both down?
Yeah. It's alright, I've got myself for us. Well, I've got two.
Both good? Oh, no, I nearly got down myself. Bit of poo came out.
Dude, come on.
That's not my fault. I get scared easy. Who is this guy? Oh, is
I have a feeling he's down. You found him?
Yep. Tucked away in his little bedroom. Running.
Can't see because your noggin's in the way. There we go.
That's real cool of you. Again. Who shot me?
That one there. And that one there.
Ha 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 ha! Right, where are you?
I'm inside a building just doing a bit of looty loot.
Oh, about the idiot, yeah. One that was shooting me.
It was on about the NPCs that are shooting us.
Straight in.
Oh, I'm being shot at. I'm on.
I'm not.
Yeah, I just pinged one of them.
They stopped.
There's three of them.
Yeah, I can't quite.
I'm just shooting randomly now.
Give him a warning shot. Well, that was a cliffhanger.
Right, stay up here, stay up here. One up, one up.
I am.
Oh
I'm
crap.
here. What did you do?
I kind of fell off the roof.
No more.
What's your flaming
then.
shadow?
Oh wait, now I get shot. Just leave me alone. Oh god, I'm lost. Oh, I'm lost. Where is me there?
Oh, don't tell me it's underneath. No, it's
No,
back
it's
at that.
back this way.
Oh god.
Oh, bruh.
I got you.
Can't even see
Two of them
that.
back here. Done.
Right, to the buy station.
Where is the buy station?
Over here.
I'm gonna say I need armor plates now. I'm gonna.
My character actually wants to grab ones.
Yep. Oh, it's in here, isn't it?
Yeah. We have a player pleading. Oh,
Wow. That was scary.
you're not meant to do that. Yep, there.
Where?
In that building, they've just taken someone down. There's at least two of them. They're in the bottom floor.
I've just seen them.
They're here. They're coming right near the plane.
They're coming up.
Yep. There's at least 3 or 4 of them.
That's why I've just run round. Oh god, I'm here shot at.
Whereabouts?
Behind me.
Oh, they're seeing me. They're up on the cliff.
Yeah, they've killed me. They've got me. Nobody leaves anybody alone anymore, do they? Yeah, they're camping it. They think it's a proper expo.
Got one.
There's 2.
I need to move because I need to reload.
There's the 3rd one. The resin.
Those ones on me.
Yeah, I can't risk it. I've got no ammo. I need to put an ammo box down.
Yeah, I'm just going to say GG's to them.
Alright. GG guys. I can't even hear him for some reason. That's twice now that's happened where I can't hear him. So right. Still there,
That's
Tink.
because you've not pleaded. Yeah, I'm still there. Yeah, you can't hear them because you've not pleaded. And I'm not close enough.
What, has Matt played it?
He has, but only so we can speak to the enemy players. Because I'm not close enough.
Ah, that'll explain that then.
If I get my mate to. Give me a sec.
Yeah, I think I know what's coming.
Dude, please.
Miss.
They're waiting for you to play.
Alright.
Is there any chance we are public team?
I sent it. There we go.
Wicked.
Yes, fellas. GG's, guys.
Yeah, I just picked up the tags as well.
Nice little cheeky one.
There we go. I don't know if anyone could actually hear me.